Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kris here with Keeping Up with Kris. I am back, y'all. I'm so excited. So I took about I was about to say a week, but maybe it was more like a month off just to do some little rest and relaxation. I had some time off from work. I got to do some stuff with my baby. But yeah, I am back, and as you can see from the title of the video, I have done just a little bit of shopping. I haven't gone crazy like I've done in the past, but I did get to do a little bit of shopping for myself for Mother's Day. So if this is something that you are interested in, make sure that you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and smash that notification bell so that you don't miss any videos when I upload them. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this week, nothing too serious, but we do know that last week was Mother's Day. So for me, I feel like I hadn't really done anything for myself for Mother's Day in a very long time. For those of you who follow my social media, I can link it here so that you can follow me if you want. But if you do already follow me, my name is @PrettyGirlKris, and my mom, I don't open up about this a lot, but my mom passed away 2 years ago on this year's Mother's Day. So Mother's Day was a real crazy time, y'all. I'm gonna just keep it funky with you. It was just really, hard for me. So to kind of lessen that blow a little bit, I went and did some shopping for myself. So let me just go ahead and show you guys what I bought. So, like I said, if you follow my social media, you probably already know, and by the looks of the title, you can see that I purchased myself something that I wanted from Louis Vuitton. Shout out to Michael, my super awesome, I don't even want to call him a salesperson, but he was like my friend. Like, we connected, we were here, he understood me, and he knew exactly what I wanted when I came in. So if you guys have not seen this bag, I'm not sure why you wouldn't. It's a lot of people have it, and that actually kind of discouraged me at first from getting it, but I really wanted it. And this particular bag came out last year, so let's take it out of its dust bag. So I got the Louis Vuitton monogrammed PM. So that is this bag. This is what it looks like. Let me fix my key holder. It looks like this. I absolutely love this bag. Look at the strap. It's a very kind of heavy hardware strap. Is black and gold. The key holder is black and gold, which I love this little detail right here. I'm actually taking this back to the store. I didn't have time that particular day to get it done, but my dear Michael is going to get this monogrammed with my initial on it, and I just love the way this looks. And this is actually going to be my summer bag. So this has a key in it. Like I said, it's the key holder, and you basically, let me show you, you basically just push it up through here, and the keys go to this lock right here. So there's that, and I love that the monogram on this is two-tone here and here. That just makes it so cute and funky. I'm gonna link the picture here from, I actually wore this on Mother's Day to my Mother's Day dinner that someone planned for me, and yeah, I really love it. I love how it's just, everything about it is just really different, and it just looks so cute. Like, you can dress this up, you can dress it down. In the picture that I just showed, obviously I dressed it up, but this is what the inside looks like. And so the zipper doesn't come all the way around, which is totally fine, and this is what the inside of it looks like. It's actually a recreation of the Louis Vuitton Vanity. Hey baby. Hi. What's up? You want to come say hi? Mommy is showing YouTube the bag that she got. You remember when I got this bag? You want to say hi, YouTube? Look, say hi, YouTube. Look, here's the camera. Hi, YouTube. You see yourself on camera? Okay, say bye-bye. All right, so yeah, and then so this is what the inside look like, and it only has one compartment, and that is this single compartment right here. I don't even know if you can even see it. Oh, autofocus, there it is. And this inside is suede, and I love how the zipper is gold, and then I also love how the bottom has these rivets to keep it from actually, like, if you absolutely have to, yes baby, sit it on the floor or anywhere. I wouldn't sit on the floor, but this is going to protect the leather at the bottom. So yeah, I absolutely love this bag, guys. It's just my baby right now. And like I said, at first, a couple of months ago, I kind of discouraged myself from getting it. And then I told myself I wasn't getting it. And then Mother's Day came around and I started getting that feeling. Anyone who has lost someone, like especially like close to a holiday, you know the feeling that I'm talking about. And I just said, you know what, Christina, you're an awesome mom. And I went ahead and got it for myself. So I also wanted to show this very minute, small detail. It also has Louis Vuitton right here on the top strap. So yeah, and this is actually like a braided, and then this circles around so that on both sides, so that it doesn't, like, you ever have a strap and it's just like gets completely like tangled up. This won't get tangled up because of that mechanism. So yeah, this is my new summer bag and I'm completely enthralled with it. So let me know what you, the price point for this was $26.50. But I think it was well worth it because I'm not like a person that just buys luxury items all the time. 100% am not. So this is gonna probably hold me off all summer and fall and winter. Okay, this was strictly my Mother's Day gift. But anyways, yeah, so this was my Mother's Day gift. Thank you so much for watching my video. Let me know what you got yourself for Mother's Day in the comment section below, and don't forget to please like and subscribe, y'all. Subscribe to my channel, help get your girl to 1K subscribers. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video.